Welcome to the fat nigga section. Everything from this down, nigga, is just health concern, nigga. Just look at that shit. What the fuck is this? Cheese balls. Hey, they slogan should be, you don't have the balls to be cheesy. Corny
nigga, eat my Cheeto puff.
That's all bad. Look, you know the fat people living through here. It's empty.
They need some snacks.
Oh, nigga, you want some snacks,
no,
nigga. I'm just saying.
My kids snacks.
Look at all this shit, nigga. Nigga, you get blowed and come in here and fall asleep in the middle of the aisle, nigga.
This kind is good. I want to eat these.
Oh shit, look at the healthy shit. Ain't nobody touched them. There's been like 4 boxes missing in the whole row. Oh shit.
Oh shit, man.
Jerky.
Some of the stuff you can buy at the 99-cent store.
You feel me? It's like.
Shout out to this.
Oh shit, that's what she said. There we go, the package.
And who said size don't matter?